What's up, everyone? Thanks for joining me on another taco update. Sorry I've been gone for a while, but just been busy with a few things outside. But hopefully we'll be back to more consistent updates on the taco and the reef. But I just wanted to give everybody a quick update on what's going on with the taco and what's next in line for mods. So in a week from now, on Columbus Day, I will be down in North Carolina at East Coast Gear Supply getting re-geared. Finally, I decided to do it, get it over with. I've been just putting it off and just trying to avoid having to go down there and get it done, but I finally decided to just go bite the bullet and go ahead and do it. I'm gonna take it down probably this Sunday, and they're gonna be doing the work on Monday, and I'll be breaking it in on the way back up. I'm excited to see how that changes the truck's drive and everything else. I'll be doing 529s as I stated before, and hopefully it'll be a big difference, especially with the 35s. And for you guys wondering what tune I'll be running with the OV tune, I'm actually going to go back to stock for a little while just to see how the 529s actually just change things on a stock tune. I'll probably switch it to stock as soon as I get down to North Carolina and break it in with stock tune and run it for a couple weeks with the stock tune. And hopefully after the 2 weeks, when I'm ready to put the tune back on, they'll have the 529 tune or something new. I've kind of been slacking on following that thread to see what tunes are out and what's still in beta mode. I'm assuming 2.0 is still in beta mode, but I'll worry about that a little later. That thread is way too long to continue to follow, but I'll see what's out and available. If the 529 is not out, I'll probably put the performance tune on and just see how it runs with 529s in the performance tune, and see how I like it. I'll make sure to do a comparison and give you guys a little insight on how I like it or don't like it. But for a little while, like I said, it's going to be on stock tune until everything's broken in and I get a feel of the changes in dynamics and everything else with the stock tune and the 529 gears, and that way also I have a benchmark to compare the tune to. But hopefully everything goes well and I'm down there like planned on Columbus Day getting it installed. That's the next mod. I have a few mods that's been sitting in the garage that I still haven't had a chance to install like I said I was going to. I still got a WeBoost cell phone, the booster that I got to install. I've had a ARB air pump that I've been meaning to install for a long time, that's just been sitting in the garage that I still have to put in. Hopefully getting everything in before the winter so I don't have to freeze my butt off installing this stuff. And a few other things that have just been sitting in the garage waiting for me to get the time and actually install them. So hopefully I'll get all those in soon, and but the main thing I'm excited for is this re-gearing thing. So hopefully soon I'll get you'll get a little more insight on 529s and how everything runs with it. Thank you guys for joining me on another update, and I can't wait to get back with this re-gearing and give you guys a little more info. Thank you, and see you next time.